Hey guys, today I'm making groundnut soup. So as you can see, my groundnut paste is on fire. This is just groundnut paste mixed with water and tin tomatoes. I put on fire, stir it till it looks like this. Then I know it's cooked and ready to go. So remember, there's a quick recipe, so it might be different from what you know. So there's my gizzard and some chicken wings. Those are the protein I'll be using for the soup. I spread some garlic, onion, and ginger all blended together on it and some salt to taste. So I'm going to leave it on fire. Yes, now it's cooked. Now what I'm going to do is pour the already made granule paste on it, add some water, and our soup has begun. This is how it looks like now after adding your peanut butter paste to it and some water to your own consistency. It should look like this. So I'm going to hold on till it boils, and I'll add some tomatoes, garden eggs, and okra to the soup for it to boil and cook. Add the tomatoes and some garden eggs, then my okra. Then I'll wait for it to boil and cook. So after it boils for a while, I take out my tomatoes and blend it and sieve it back into the soup, as you can see me doing now in the video. So after adding my tomatoes, it boils for a little while more, and I go ahead and add my spices like cube, salt to taste. After I turn my heat down to very low and allow the soup boil for a while. So as you can see, the soup is ready now. I'm going to eat this with fufu, and hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.